That's pretty cool. Now that's the kind of car I want. You can drive to where you want to fish, go right in the water and fish. So on this edition of Yinzer Fishing, we're down on the North Carolina Outer Banks, back looking for mullet. So the trick here is actually to dig up the sand fleas. So how this works is we're gonna dig up some sand fleas right here and stick them in a little bucket. All right, we got a few now. This will do pretty well. All we do is hook them through the shell like this. Got two of them here. That's it. It's a fairly small rod too. It's not super big. It's actually one my dad had. So it's got some good memories. All right, then we're gonna cast out, not too far, and see what happens. Yeah, we got one. Not very far out. What do we got? Hey, we got a nice mullet. Not bad. Good way to start the day. Yep, there he is. He's gonna go right back in the water. That's a kingfish. Or a mullet. That's what we call him. Yep, there he goes. Back in the water. There we go. We're not gonna go very deep. Okay, we got one. Yeah, it's amazing how close in they are. They're just trying to scoop these sand fleas in from the surf. Oh, he's putting up a good fight. Oh, there he is. Whoa, haha. Okay, buddy.
What is that? What kind?
That's a kingfish.
Kingfish?
Or a mullet, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. There he is. Not bad. Not bad. Just lipped him, that's all. Okay, here we go. Let's do the release. Here's the release. There he goes. He's back. All right, we're not sure what's going on here, but I think he was just blowing his horn for the kids. That's pretty cool. Oh, that must be Corps of Engineers. Okay. That's their Coastal Hydraulics Laboratory. Oh, that's what they're up to. Okay. The things you see when you mullet fish. So they have Corps of Engineers runs like a laboratory right there, and they test I don't know, they must do like wave studies and that kind of stuff, minimizing coastal erosion. So this will be kind of fun to watch. All right, looks like they're going into the water. Watch this thing go in. Oh, that's awesome. Now that's the kind of car I want. You can drive to where you want to fish, and then you just go right in the water and fish. That is pretty sweet. Oh, and they got a fishing rod on there. You see that? They got a doggone fishing rod on there. There's actually 3 of them there. They're not stupid. They're going fishing. All right, that's pretty awesome. Well, that might be more exciting than watching me catch mullet. I don't know. There they go. Let's see if we're on here. Yep. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Another healthy sized mullet. Get him right off. Back in the water. There he is. He's gonna go right back in the water. There he goes. As the research vessel prowls the water out there. Oh, got a hit here. He's got a hit. All right, let's get him in here. Let's see what we got. We got a mullet again. Whoop, man. Whoa. You want to see him? Good.
Catch.
They're mullet. Yeah, they're pretty good size. We were catching them here yesterday.
Smallmouth bass and largemouth bass, but never been able to get into surf fishing.
Oh, I got 2 of them. I'm just showing off now.
I was gonna say I like it.
Holy smokes.
That's showing off right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Good.
That's crazy. We'll send him back. All right, got another one. Whoa. Alrighty. Okay, so we're going to try fishing here by the pier. Just dug up some sand fleas and we're going to give it a shot. Okay, apparently there's mullet here by the pier as well. Give him a little release. There we go. So that's all we got for today on this episode of Yins Are Fishing. A day at the beach catching mullet. If you like it, hit the like button and please subscribe. See ya.